back to my channel. My name is Maria if you are new here, and today is another quarantine vlog. I don't really know what I'm gonna call these yet. So far this morning I kind of showed you guys. I just had my smoothie. So I woke up around 6:30-ish and now I'm going to go work out. If you're wondering what my workout outfit is, I just have this Peloton shirt that I got sent for doing 100 rides. So thank you, Peloton. They send you a free shirt when you do 100 rides. I need to go do my workout, but I wanted to tell you guys like what I've been doing for workout, just because I know that everyone's doing at-home workouts right now and it's a little bit difficult. Obviously I'm really blessed that we have a Peloton that I can ride every morning to do cardio, but I have been doing HIIT and stuff when I don't feel like riding. I found this new girl on Instagram, you guys, that is amazing for at-home workouts. Her name is Sammy Clark. I like her format. It's like instead of a certain amount of reps, it's done by time. So each workout is 20 minutes, 2 rounds through, 50 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and it's about 10 moves each time, and she just posts her workouts like, I don't know if it's gonna focus. She posts them like that, and you scroll through and you do them. I love her moves because they're not like full-on strength, they're not full-on toning, they're like a good mix between the two, and that is exactly what I like for my workouts. So I'm probably going to end up riding for 20 to 30 minutes. That's what I've been doing, 20-30 minutes of cardio, whether that is cycling or HIIT, and then I normally do 40 to 30 minutes of strength, always followed with 10-minute abs so I can get shredded. But anyway, I'm gonna go work out now, and I will see you all when I'm done with my workout. Hello everyone. If you can't tell, I just got out of the shower. I had like a super awesome workout today. It was really great. I did a 30-minute 2010 ride. I have 3 favorite instructors on Peloton. They're Allie, Alex, and Kendall. So if you have a Peloton, those are my favorite riding, cycling instructors. I don't know, they're the best. Hold on, there's serious stuff on my lens right now. And I was about to dry my hair, but I wanted to show you guys a couple of products I've been loving recently for my hair. I normally don't dry my hair. I dry my hair about, I'd say, once a week because I don't want to kill it, and I'm really nervous about heat damaging my hair because I love my hair texture and hair color. It's one of the things that I like literally pride myself on. Like if I have nothing else at life, at least I have, I think, really pretty hair that is so self-absorbed. I'm really sorry, that sounded really horrible. I also have a good personality, I hope, but this is what I've been doing just to protect my hair and make it look super good when I blow dry it. I'm also blow drying it today because tomorrow's Easter and I want my hair to look nice for Easter. Normally when I want my hair to look nice, I blow dry it the day before, so then it's a day old because it looks better when it's 1 day old, in my personal opinion. So to protect my hair, I use the Moroccan Oil Protect and Defense spray, and it's like an aerosol spray. Here, wait, let me do this. Oh my god, I'm a genius. So it's just like an aerosol, and you like that. So it's a really nice aerosol spray. And then I do like a pea-size amount of this, the L'Oreal Blow Dry It Thermal Smoother Cream. It is a frizz fighter and a heat protectant. So I really love that product, and it makes my hair super smooth. When I'm finished drying my hair, I use a little bit of the Moroccan Oil Shine Finishing Oil. It's a really nice product. If you can't tell, my hair salon was doing 50% off Moroccan oil one day, and so I literally just went ham. I'm gonna dry my hair. I've talked long enough. I'll see you guys later. Hello everyone. So in a shocking turn of events, I actually got dressed today. I think this is the first time that I've put on real clothes. I actually am wearing jeans for the first time in forever as well. So this is new. So I blow out my hair, as you guys know, and then here's the outfit. I'm wearing these jeans. They're actually so comfortable. They're almost like, don't get me wrong, they almost feel like sweatpants, which they're not sweatpants, obviously, but they're very comfortable. These socks are Asics. They're nothing special. So the jeans are denim forum. I really like them. They're kind of tight on the top, and then they go straight. I think they're called a straight jean is a technical term. This top is from a boutique near me called Lexi Drew, and I don't know the exact brand of this. Like, did I say the jeans? The jeans are denim forum, but I got them from Aritzia. This top, I don't know the brand. I want to say it's like Salt Spray or something. The necklaces I have on This one is really cute. This is my zodiac sign. This is a Virgo necklace. This is from Vibe Season, which I love all their jewelry. By the way, I do have a promo code for them, Maria C, for 50% off. I will link it down below and also leave the code down below for you guys. And then this like thick chain choker is from Brandy Melville, and these have been my go-to jewelry pieces lately. Yeah, this is the outfit for today. I'm actually very, very proud of myself for getting dressed. So it's like 11:45, so I'm gonna go make lunch. So for lunch today, we're currently out of all fresh food. So I'm going to microwave some frozen kale. I'm also making one for my sister, so that's why there's two. Microwaving frozen kale. What should I do? 2 minutes? 1 minute? I don't know. Okay, goodbye. Sauteing up some frozen chicken burgers from Costco, which are really tasty if you're looking for a good, easy protein. Here today I have the frozen kale that I warmed up, half avocado, my chicken burger patty, and I'm going to top it, if I can open this, with a little bit of nutritional yeast, because it tastes like cheese and it's super good, and it has a ton of B vitamins in it, so it's super good for you. And that is lunch. We need a cup of lukewarm milk and 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. By the way, if it wasn't clear, we are making Easter bread, which is like a super yummy, almost like challah bread. It's very good. It's like, I think it's in Italian. We add in 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar. And then I mix this together. I've watched so much Bon Appetit.
You got me hooked on it. That's all I watched.
It's so good.
And I watched Food Insider.
Food Insider, Bon Appetit. Tasty is not superior.
No, I don't like Tasty.
I don't like Tasty either. And while the yeast is activating, we are going to add in all our ingredients into our KitchenAid. 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. So the dough is done, and I put it in this pre-greased bowl and covered in cling film and let it sit for 1 to 2 hours. You guys last saw me making the Easter bread. While we were gone, Ava and I braided it and we egg washed it and we put it in the oven, and you guys, it looks insane. I'm gonna put the eggs back on it because I want them to kind of create the divots. I didn't end up baking it with the eggs because I thought that was, I don't know, counterintuitive. So this is what it looks like with the eggs. It's so pretty and voluptuous. It's a really nice loaf. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and it smells insane. I wish that there was smell-o-vision so you guys could smell it too. But anyway, there's the bread, and I'll talk to you all later for, I don't know, I'll update you guys. We have Bon Appetit on the TV because we love it. But anyway, see you later. Hello everyone. So it's been a hot minute since you guys saw me last. I think when I saw you last, I just took the bread out of the oven. It turned out so good. I'm so happy with it. I literally sent it to my entire family. I was like, you guys, look what I made. I was very, very proud of myself. My grandma said it looked beautiful, so therefore it is beautiful because my grandma is never wrong. After that, we just kind of chilled. We had dinner. We had Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange Chicken. If you don't shop at Trader Joe's, honestly, what are you doing with your life? Like, I do not understand. Their food is so good and it's so cheap and it has the most simple ingredients. I've loved everything I've ever eaten from Trader Joe's. The Mandarin chicken is not one of the healthiest Trader Joe's dishes. It tastes like takeout Chinese food, but it's still so good. And it still is healthier, I think, than takeout food because you bake it and there's not as much oil involved, and it's just chef's kiss. I love it. But then my mom and I just kind of sat and we tried to find a movie for literally an hour. I don't know why. We are so picky when it comes to TV, and especially when we're together. Like, when I'm by myself, I'll be like, yeah, I just want to stream a show. But when I'm with someone else, I feel like there's this pressure to find the perfect show or the perfect movie, and we literally couldn't find anything. And I also think it's just like too early, you know? Like, I feel like 8 o'clock is primetime television, and right now it's like 6:30ish, and so it's just too early to find a good movie. But anyway, if you guys can't tell, I'm so tired. I don't know why I'm so tired today. I think it just like getting up early, making the bread. We ended up going for a walk too, which was so nice. It was so nice outside today. It was cold. We had to wear like winter coats and hats because welcome to Michigan, people. But it was still so nice to like get outside. I think it's so important in like quarantine just to get outside. Anyway, for the rest of the night, I think we're just gonna chill, try and watch a movie, try and find something to like put on and entertain us. And we're all gonna go to bed and wake up. And I don't think I'm gonna vlog tomorrow just because it's Easter and I just want to enjoy the day with my fam and have it be really relaxing, because I know that sometimes when I vlog it puts the fam on edge, so we're not gonna do that tomorrow. So anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I will catch you all on the flip side. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to like and subscribe and do all those fun YouTube things because it really helps out my channel. And I don't know, I'm tired. Anyway, I'll see you all next time I feel like recording. Peace out, people.